everyone, my name is Nava Ogabian and I'm going to show you how to adjust a puppy. First of all, this puppy's name is Burrow. It's my brother's puppy. I'm just borrowing him. Since it's a holiday and it's Christmas, I'm going to give it $10 off. So, let's get started. Lay him on the ground. We're going to do a side posture. Ready? First massage them, for them to feel comfortable, then you can do it. To give them a little bit of support. Now other side. Now it's time to do the back. Now let's put it on its face. There you go. Ready? Massage it and now it's time for the neck. Now I have to be very careful. I'm not going to get to this with it real. I'm just doing it with a pretense of the animal. Ready? Now, we're all finished. Now, I want to tell you to put a like on this. This is my first time putting a video on YouTube. Please like us. Thank you. Bye.